Hello, welcome back to Desynologhy. Today we are going to make this sliced effect by using Gimp editor. Without further talking, let's get started. First, open the Gimp editor and create a new project by going to the menu bar and pressing the File button, and then the New button. Also, you can create a new document using the Control button and the N key combination. It should open a new document. You can change the size of your work. I'm using 1920 by 1080 for this project. I'm going to change the background color to black. For that, select your color from here, press the Edit button in the menu bar, and select Fill with foreground color. You can change this color to any color or a gradient. Now let's select the text tool. You can customize your text using white color, 250 pixel font size, bold and normal Microsoft font. Then type your word. Use this button to resize the font area. Now I grab the alignment tool to align the text to the center. Now grab the free select tool and mark the area on the text layer and make a copy of that. Then delete that part using the delete button on your keyboard. Then go to Edit in the menu bar and go to the Paste As and click the New Layer button. It should paste the part that you deleted as a new layer. Now go to the Layers bar and take the pasted layer under the text layer by simply dragging. Then go to Select and press None. Again, grab the free Select tool and make a selection of the main text layer like this. Again, copy the part and paste it as a new layer and delete the part from the main text. Now you have three parts of the text. Now I'm erasing the extra parts. Now I'm using the Move button to move the middle part of the text to right. Also, I'm going to make a space between all text parts. For that, I'm using the Move tool and dragging them in the opposite direction. That way you can get a good realistic look for it. Now our project is almost done. Now I'm going to add some shadows to my project. You can do it by selecting the layer with the top part of the text and going to Filters, the Light and Shadow, then clicking the Drop Shadow button. It should open a new window. I don't change these settings a lot, but I'm increasing the opacity to 0.6 and hit OK. It will add a nice drop shadow to your work. Now I'm doing the same process to the down part. But now I'm decreasing the X and Y to -32. Now it's done. Make sure to appropriate you and give yourself a hug. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. What kind of tutorial need for you? Make sure to comment down below. Bye.